Welcome to Evan's World. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And it's really windy out today, and guess what? The inflatables are going crazy. We're gonna have to turn them off. You can see the dark clouds coming. You can see that big one's going crazy the most. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn them off because how windy it is. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Here comes the pumpkin Scrooge. And you can see the wind is so bad. So I'm gonna turn them off right now. So what I'm gonna do is unplug the small ones, but I have to turn off the big one side, and I'm gonna turn them off. Yeah, the wind is so bad today. So there's my dog. Okay, let's go. And gotta go out from here. Opened it and officially turning it off. The big ones are off. The wind is still going. You can see the leaves are falling off on the trees. This is not good. You can see everywhere. That thing is going crazy. 0. I'm so over this weather for real. Because I hate turning off the inflatables. This is not fun turning off the inflatables. You can see the cloud dark. Well, in Canada it can get cold, but depends on where you are in Canada. I'm not going to tell you, but you can see oh my god, it's blowing it over. And we had to turn off all the inflatables. So bad. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Coda. Say hi. He doesn't want to say hi. Oh, hello everybody. I wanted to show you that quick windstorm. I know it's not really that good. Well, it is October. It can get pretty windy, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video of seeing the inflatable flop around. And make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet. Hit the notification bell when you hit the subscribe button. And also leave a like. You know, for that. And yeah, peace out.